So what are the tools of a naturopathic physician? We begin where the patient is, and we look at the vis, the vitality of the individual. And treatment is focused on improving and economizing the life-giving force of the individual. And the first step is nutrition. Creating an individualized food program that removes foods that are irritating to the body and adds foods which are nourishing to the body. And we move to physical activity. Movement relaxes the muscles, allows the cells to breathe, and prolongs our life. Hydrotherapy utilizes hot and cold therapies to strengthen the body. Homeopathy is based upon like cures like. So when a substance causes a symptom, a small amount of that substance given to a healthy person may heal that condition. A homeopathic dose supports the healing power of the body. Botanical medicine utilizes the healing power of plants as medicine. Mind-body medicine relaxes the body and utilizes the power of the mind to clear emotions, beliefs, and behaviors that interfere with health and creating the life that the individual desires. Intravenous therapies focuses on natural vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to be used as therapeutic treatments. Medications are utilized in the lowest effective dose when necessary for healing. So let us remember that the healing power of nature prevails. The body knows how to heal itself when supported. So allow vitality and passion to pour into your life. And let us all experience the miracle of the mind-body-spirit connection, which is life.